Hey everyone, Laser Dave here again from Trotec Laser. You know, I receive a lot of requests asking what entry-level laser cutting and engraving system is a better return on investment, a Glowforge Pro laser system or the Rayjet 50 laser system. So I've put together a popular file of engraved and cut pair of earrings to be processed onto colored satin cast acrylic to compare the performance difference of each of these laser system brands. I'm going to show you the side-by-side processing of this design, running each laser system at its max possible speeds at a similar resolution, and we will see exactly how these brands compare on this application.
Let's discuss each of the system's configurations so that we have a baseline for this comparison test. We are going to run the $9,990 Rayjet 50 with 30 watts of laser power and a honeycomb cutting table, compared to a $5,995 Glowforge Pro laser series with 45 watts and a cutting table. Here is the design file that will be processed with a simple black engraving and a red cut line. You can scan this QR code should you like to download this file. The material for this project will be 1/8 inch or 3mm Troglass satin orange cast acrylic. Here are the parameters that have been determined for each system after testing to find the fastest possible setting for this material at a close resolution. Here is the file ready to be processed from the Rayjet Manager software. The Rayjet job estimation shows the file should take 3 minutes and 18 seconds to process. Here is the same file in the Glowforge web-based app. The file has been placed and the parameters have been assigned. The Glowforge estimation shows the file should take 12 minutes and 3 seconds to process. Now I'm going to start each laser at the exact same time and watch each system process the set of acrylic earrings on each laser system side by side. I will show the actual speed of each laser system. Then I will take the Rayjet to 10x time-lapse and the Glowforge to a 40x time-lapse due to how much longer the Glowforge takes to process this application. I have also placed a timer at the bottom of the screen that has been calibrated to match the time-lapse. The Rayjet has completed the engraving and cutting of the acrylic earrings in just over 3 minutes. The Glowforge has completed the engraving and cutting of the acrylic earrings at 12 minutes. The runtime estimate to process each was pre-estimated very close in both the Rayjet software and the Glowforge software compared to the actual times to process this job. Let's take a closer side-by-side look at the engraving details. The Rayjet produced a cleaner, sharper engraving than the Glowforge, and the Rayjet was able to process this application 4 times faster than the Glowforge. Now let's take a closer look at the numbers to determine the return on investment for each machine. With these process times, the Rayjet has the potential to produce 151 pairs of earrings in 8 hours of operation, or 3,020 pairs to be run in a month with 160 hours of process time. Versus the Glowforge has the potential to produce 40 pairs of earrings in 8 hours of operation, and 800 can be run in a month with 160 hours of process time. With these numbers, we can assign a fair price to this product to determine possible revenue generation from this application. If we assign a price of $12.95 per pair of earrings, the Rayjet has the potential to generate up to $39,109 per month, versus the Glowforge processing the same number of hours will produce up to $10,360 per month.
There we have it, the finished results showing that the Rayjet 50 is the clear winner on the return on investment, even with a slightly higher initial price tag on the laser unit. Please feel free to order this material and download the file should you like to run this project. All settings and details to repeat this project are available should you like. If you have any questions on this project or the material used in this comparison video, please post them on the comment section below. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see our website at troteclaser.com.